you're looking for the best ways to build links as a B2B business, I have 3 for you that I would recommend. The first one's going to be the easiest one, and if you go to your website right now, if you're a B2B business, scroll to the very bottom. Do you have any logos or links to partners that you work with, whether it's in your space or another different vertical, whether it's technology partners, software partners? Are there people that you work so closely with that you value them and you give them a backlink to their website? If so, do they repay the favor? Click on that link, see if they have a partnerships area. Is it in their footer? Is it on their blog somewhere? If so, and you're not listed, well, I'd probably reach out. You should have a partnership with that person already. You might have a contact you can reach out to. That's one of the easiest ways to do it right away. It also helps build some authority because those should be people who are relevant in your space and might even drive some relevant traffic. The second one I'd recommend takes a little bit more effort, but can really pay off. That would be around scholarships and sponsorships. So on the sponsorship side, we're talking about having local meetups, local events, things that people in your area can come together that you can host, that you can be a part of, that help drive awareness to either your cause, your products, your services, but ultimately, from a link perspective, allows you to have a backlink that's relevant for people to come visit. Places like Eventbrite and others will allow you to put in a backlink while also show off exactly what kind of event. On the scholarship side, you can do a great number of things on the scholarship front. You can build scholarships for students, high school, college, anything like that, going to potential college that need to either write an essay about something that you want them to write about, something that's relevant. You can even turn that into blog content yourself. But once you do that, once you build that scholarship campaign, it just takes a pretty simple email outreach to send to .edu websites across the country to add to their scholarship pages. Most schools have scholarship pages. You get those backlinks, those are really high value for you as well and really show up well. And the last one, most importantly, I would say, is guest posting. Guest posting is a pretty vital piece of SEO. And for B2B to build links, if you want to do it in a very comprehensive and organic way, doing so via guest posting will make a big difference. So what we're talking about is looking at the landscape and seeing where your voice could really be helpful, whether that's in your industry and letting people know some insight or thought leadership you have, or a relevant industry that may benefit from something that you do or you offer that they never thought of before. Making that personal outreach via email, letting them know that you would love to write a piece for free for their readers is pretty awesome. Sometimes, you're gonna get a lot of no's, you're gonna get some vacation responders, and that's okay. If you keep up the cadences, you keep tweaking it, you keep finding that perfect pitch, you're gonna find people who would love to hear your message, who would love to post your content for free, and would love to give you a backlink. From there, you can start controlling that backlink, you can control that anchor text, that messaging, but really guest posting helps you develop relationships in your industry and others, helps drive relevant traffic back to your site, and helps establish you as a thought leader, which really is a great few benefits from just getting that backlink. Hey, this is Jesse. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe to see more, and if you have a Quora question, go ahead and leave it in the comments below and we'll answer it next time. Thanks for watching.